you look at somebody or say, me must come, me you should be afraid of that person. Because of the president now, you better brave as mine. So, if you see any presidential candidate who is spending his own money on one secure, he's spending it out the campaign, and you can see, say, the money he is spending, if already president 20 years cry until his salary and do sasikana, there is an issue somewhere. That is the genesis of corruption and theft. Because if I'll become a president and in 8 years, should I put my salary together, I'll be getting 1 million Ghana cedis. Yet still, I am willing to spend 5 million Ghana cedis of my own money to campaign. No one goes into any venture to make losses. Nobody. So it tells you that suddenly Pano be a president. First, no contract be obe penesubiano. He must get his 10%, his 40%, because while investing car, he must get it back. And what I'm telling you, America they learned it the hard way. Yes, Americans, they learned it the hard way. In the first coming of Papa Otisu says here, or buy the first time, no. Or see, oh, minji salary. Oh, I just feel say me you mama America for free as a president. By the time they realize, and the companies, tax evasion, and all those things, government contracts, now I call na down for four ni Bushian for America for. By the time they realize that some of the companies or the influence as president, the contracts from abroad and all those things. And obianko venture biamu to make losses. And if you look at somebody or say, me must come, you should be afraid of that person. Because of the president now, you better brave as mine. That is from the nation's perspective. Now let's come to the political party. There are laws, financial regulations that regulate the activities of every political party in Ghana. And those laws prohibit the use of companies, Sika, and the others to sponsor the political party and the campaign. And there are reasons to it. Conflict of interest. And that is why every political party who call Hobiano, you want Crophobia or making donations, personal donations. And those personal donations, most of the time, as I say, recorded. As a person auditing, you can go through and see, say, so and so has donated 10,000 to the party. So and so has donated 200 pickups to the party. And that is one thing. I have sat in meetings in our Volta region here when auditing was done. So I know, say, yen party, dear was any. That is why sometimes I have issues when you hear that Nipa could be so no you didn't seek a sponsor party, because when you go into the books, there are a lot of individuals who bring their small ones to help the party. Now, say Nipa Baku or party anymore, so the Nisika ebe sponsor party, but the only requirement is say you must make him flag bearer. You must be scared of that person. You must mark that person and run away from that person. It means the person has no genuine love for the party. Whatever the person is doing, for his selfish motive. Because if you have money and you can help the NPP out of its misery, but you don't mind holding on to that money until you get something from the party first, we are a wicked person. And such person, the moment you vote for him to become flag bearer, the person will become manipulative. Because whoever is giving you money is the one who will tell you where to go, what to do, what not to do. That is it. That is why, as a political party, there are dues that our members must pay dues. And then people who are benevolent people who identify with the vision, the ideology of the party, they also donate whatever they have to the party. Freely and willingly, not expecting anything in return. That is it, not expecting anything in return. But Nehemiah Yanukrani said, for individuals that might have helped the party in one way or the other, but that were sorted with contracts. Then they still come and speak as though party, they are doing a favor to the party by being part of the party. And then there is a research from University of Cape Coast that one of the things that is working against the New Patriotic Party, and they say there's failure to apply disciplinary measures on membership. The students have gone to study, and that's one of the things they are coming up with. And it is true. The reason it is true is because certain people feel that they have become gods in the party. And they have become like a necessary evil because they have money. They become a necessary evil. But all these things can be defeated. And it is one of the reasons why we are going in for an early, not early, because it's still within the approved timelines of our party. That's why we want to select a flag bearer first. That is why. So that individuals stop hijacking our party. So that we can install into everyone the sense of volunteerism. So that if I don't have a party t-shirt, it should not become a reason why I will not go and vote. You must understand that this is where the party is. We don't have the money. And our party also must get to understand, say Yenisika, explain to the people, say Yenisika, don't go begging people for their money, so that when they give you the money, before even they give you the money, they bring media. I'm coming to do donation. They are not paying people at the head office, so I'm coming to do donation. I bring media, I bring camera. I say NPP for they say no, you opposition, you nisika. People will be asking, hey, they say I'm opposition, I'm nisika, I'm to meet you for. A very, very dangerous part. And while we are delegate, while we are a member of the New Patriotic Party, I want to tell you, say, it is not about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's account. There are still good people in this country, good people in the New Patriotic Party, who are willing to help the party with their money, with their strength. There are still people in this country, in this party, who might not have money, but can help with their TikTok accounts. How many of the people, Oscar or NPP, even have 50,000 followers on TikTok? Some of us who don't have money, we are having over 170,000 followers. People are having over 200,000 followers. So everyone has a part to play in the party. Let us not allow any single individual to hijack the party with money. We must all speak against it, and we must all vote against it. Let us not make a god out of anybody. So that when somebody is going astray, we can be bold and tell the person, stop, jaijimienu. You can be bold to tell the person.